Hello grade 9 students. Welcome back to another video lesson. I am Madhu Vadge. We are studying chapter 6, lines and angles. In the first video of this chapter, we revisited some basic concepts of angles, pairs of angles, linear pair and vertically opposite angle theorem. In the previous video class, we solved some questions from exercise 6.1 by applying the concept of linear pair and vertically opposite angle theorem. We will continue to solve questions from exercise 6.1 in today's video class and enhance our skills of application and problem solving. We have finished first 3 questions in the previous video class of exercise 6.1. So starting with question number 4. In the given figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a straight line. Looking at the figure, if we start from OB and start moving anti-clockwise, we cover angle X, Y, then Z and W and come back to ray OB. That means in one full rotation, we cover angle X, Y, Z, W. From figure, we can say that X plus Y plus Z plus W is equal to 360. But it is given in the question that X plus Y is equal to Z plus W. So what we will do is replace Z plus W with X plus Y in equation 1. So we get X plus Y plus X plus Y equal to 360, which is equal to 2 times X plus Y equal to 360. So X plus Y is equal to 360 divided by 2, that is 180. X plus Y is 180. So this implies that AOB is a straight line as X and Y form linear pair. So BOC and COA are adjacent angles such that they sum up to 180 degree. Then the non-common arms OB and OA will make a straight line and therefore AOB is a straight line. Question number 5. In the given figure, POQ is a straight line, ray OR is perpendicular to PQ, and OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus angle POS. Let us mark these angles in the figure. Angle ROS is this angle. Let's mark this as X. Angle QOS is this angle. Let's mark this as Y. and angle POS is this angle. We will mark this as Z. So we have to show that angle X is equal to half Y minus Z. Angle POR and ROQ form a linear pair because POQ is a straight line. But we know that ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So angle ROQ is 90 degrees. This is given. So this implies angle POR plus 90 is equal to 180, or angle POR is also 90 degrees. Now look at the figure. Angle POR is made of two adjacent angles, POS and SOR. So we can write angle POR as angle X plus angle Z equal to 90. Now in this question there are many linear pairs. One linear pair we have already written over here. Can you identify the other linear pair in this question? Angle POS and angle SOQ, that is Z plus Y, also make a linear pair. So angle Z plus angle Y is equal to 180 degrees. Now we have two equations with which we can work, but in order to work with these two equations we will make their right hand sides equal. So we will multiply equation 1 by 2. So we get 2 times angle X plus 2 times angle Z equal to 180 degrees. Let's mark these equations. Now look at the second and third equation. Their right hand sides are equal to 180, which means we can equate their left hand sides. So this implies 2 times angle X plus 2 times angle Z is equal to angle Z plus angle Y. So let's carry 2 angle Z to the right side so that we can add like terms. So 2 angle X is equal to angle Z plus angle Y minus 2 angle Z. Adding like terms, we get angle Y minus angle Z equal to 2 angle X. Dividing both sides by 2, we get angle X equal to half times angle Y minus angle Z. Question number 6 of the same exercise. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. So let's draw the angle. And XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, so we draw ray YQ such that PY Q is equal to QYZ. Find angle XYQ, that is this angle, and reflex angle QYP, which is this angle, reflex angle. Since YQ is an angle bisector of angle PYZ, we can say that angle PYQ is equal to angle QYZ. Let's say they are equal to X. Reason: YQ bisects angle ZYP. XY is extended to point P, which means XP is a straight line. Therefore, angle XYP will be 180, but angle XYP is made of three angles: angle XYZ, angle ZYQ, and angle QYP. So we can write angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equal to 180 degrees. Use the information given in the question. Angle XYZ is equal to 64. ZYQ and PYQ is X. So substituting X in place of them, we get 64 plus 2x equal to 180 degree. Solving this equation, we get x equal to 58. So now we can find angle XYQ. Angle XYQ will be equal to, look at the figure, XYQ is made up of two angles, XYZ and ZYQ. That is equal to 64 plus x, which is equal to 64 plus 58, and that total is 122 degrees. Now the second part, reflex angle QYP, will be this angle as marked in the figure, that is 360 minus angle PYQ, which is x. So reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 minus angle PYQ, that is equal to 360 minus 58, which is equal to 302 degrees. With this, we come to the end of this video lesson. Your assignment for today is this question. Before I stop, I will help you with the figure for this question. Ray OS stands on a line POQ. So we draw a line POQ. Ray OS stands on this line. Ray OR and ray OT are angle bisectors. So OR bisects angle POS and ray OT bisects angle SOQ. If angle POS is X, that is this angle, then find angle ROT. This question is an exemplar question from the textbook. After solving the question on your own, you can open the textbook and check the answer and steps. See you in the next class with a new concept. Until then, goodbye.